How's the prepping going?
Huh?
How's the prepping going?
Nearly there.
Yeah.
Just about all fits. It's going to be an experience.
Yeah, for sure.
It's a new jacket and it says it's waterproof. I don't know how waterproof it is, so I'm waterproofing it more.
Sounds like a good shower when you're heading off to Scotland, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. 2 weeks of heavy rain. I don't want to be wet.
No. So you just told me that you had visions, so I'm starting to record now because
yeah,
I'm curious. What visions did you have?
Since having the vaccine of dropping down dead on the bike. Just going along and then slump into something. That'll be it. You know, not my luck, it'll be on the M1 first day.
I hope that was just a bad dream.
I hope so too. I think I'll be fine.
Yeah, you're sleepy. So tomorrow morning you're gonna leave around 9 AM and the first stop is the Lake District. You're looking forward to it?
I am. Thankfully the weather's poked up.
A week ago it was meant to be raining for 2 weeks, according to the forecast. So yeah,
I think we'll be okay for weather.
Yeah, hopefully.
I think we'll see.
Well, good night.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning. Good morning. Looks a bit grey, isn't it? Morning, sausage.
Good morning.
Today's the day.
Today's the day. Do you feel the excitement build up?
Yeah. It's not nerves, but it's close.
What do you mean? You're nervous? Are you saying that you're nervous to go on a trip with me?
Yeah, very nervous going on a trip with you.
That is a big pack.
Some would say
Too big.
Too big. It's bigger than the bike.
I know. It looks bigger because the seat goes up. But it should be fine.
Wait until you see mine. First stop, petrol station.
Yes, 0.2 miles away. First one off the checklist.
Yeah.
Bye. See you in 2 weeks. Bye. Stop, whoa. Bye.
You're washing your hands by licking them after you had them. That's okay.
That's alright. No worries.
Great. Lovely. I'll see you soon then. Bye-bye. Bye.
So Patrick just called his grandparents and they offered us to
Tea and lunch.
tea and lunch. So yeah, really good. It's gonna be our next stop.
Show me. Oh no.
Sake, man. Fuck's sake.
Let's pull to the side somewhere and then we'll...
Someone forgot to deattach the airbag.
Yeah.
And where's the airbag now?
It's down here.
It's down here, inflated.
Are you happy you see your grandparents?
Yeah, I've not seen them I've seen them maybe twice over lockdown.
Yeah.
It's nice to actually come up and see them.
You're lucky you still have them, mate.
I know, I'm grateful.
You good?
Yeah.
Alright.
You go, I'll follow. See you later.
See you later. Thank you. I must admit, mate, I was getting a little bit emotional earlier in the garden.
Were you?
Yeah, just recalling memories with my grandparents.
Oh, mate.
Just, yeah, that feel of being in the garden with my grandparents, with the kids playing around.
It's just, yeah.
Memories, you know.
Little snippet of life.
Yeah. Oh.
Fucking hell.
How's your hands?
My hands are okay. It's my hip was getting bad then.
Your what, sorry?
My hip.
Your hip.
I know, old man.
I think Patrick is having the first moment of realization.
It's
of
a fucking long way and it hurts.
Of the biker's life. How many miles did we do today? Probably 200 something now.
Easy 200, yeah.
So the first 200 miles and he's a bit proven. It's a bit knackered.
It's okay.
Already.
It's okay.
30 minutes away from campsite now for day one. Or is it a farm? Is it a farm?
Yes. Yeah.
We are staying in a farm. Do we have power?
We do.
So we do have power. We can charge everything up. Ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna go a bit around the Lake District and then we're gonna head off to Edinburgh. And we can visit the city. We have a nice private garage where we can park the bikes, so it's all gonna be secured. We can leave the bags on. And yeah, we'll see Edinburgh, and then we're gonna make our way up to Inverness after that, and then North Coast 500 and all the beautiful places.
I'm a selfish kind of person. With a soul
Really
trying
cool.
to fly.
100 meters to the right, I think it's this one, mate.
Yes, yes.
To break the laws of nature. Learn to love before
I think she said we're in pitches 3 and 4, or 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Or 3 and 4.
Do we take the bike then?
Yeah, I think we can.
3 or 4? Which field? That's Westfield. That way. Thank you.
but I tried my best. Yes, I tried.
It's not bad, is it?
It's pretty cool, isn't it?
So look at this. We got all this space for ourselves. Yeah, we'll set the tent up and go search some food maybe, or a beer or something.
I'm happy. You happy?
I'm happy too, mate.
Day one.
Yeah, day one. So the lady here at the camping said that if we had 10 quid in cash, we could have got 2 pizzas and a beer each. But we only had £8 between us. We forgot to get cash out. But in the end, for £8, they got us bacon, burger and the beer. So here's to the first day, first dinner of the trip. Cheers. Now we're trying to figure out why Patrick's GoPro isn't working. We're trying with our charging box here, but it looks like it's dead. But it would be nice to get.
I'll be annoyed if it doesn't work.
Yeah, it'd be nice to get footage from your bike as well.